Robert Marcereau stepped up to fight for a grieving family after they were robbed of the chance to say their final goodbyes.
I represented the Villegas family. They had recently lost their loved one, Hector Villegas.
The family couldn't afford a casket or funeral for Hector, so they bought what's called an ID viewing.
It's only a 15-minute viewing, limited to 8 people, so it was a very small and short viewing, but it was really important to this family. It meant to the world, to this family.
But when the family showed up, they were told Hector had accidentally been cremated the day before.
About 6 hours later, somebody from the mortuary showed up with a box of ashes. And they just set it on the kitchen table. And Mary hugged the ashes close to her, wanted to hug her son, was horrified to learn the ashes were still hot.
The family suspected the ashes weren't Hector's, but couldn't be sure since ashes can't be tested for DNA.
I obtained hundreds and hundreds of pages of documents from the mortuary. Some of the documents raised serious questions about whether or not they were really telling the truth about what happened.
The defense claimed that there was only one person working at the mortuary the day Hector was cremated, yet there were 2 sets of handwriting on the cremation logs.
We were able to prove that the mortuary was lying about when Hector was cremated and when his body came out. And the inescapable conclusion of all of that is that they gave this family the wrong ashes.
Marcereau got the Villegas family a far more substantial verdict than was offered. But more importantly, some justice for Hector's loved ones.
That was what was important to this family, holding this company accountable. And that was a great feeling.